Hello guys, welcome to Playwright JavaScript a series, day 2. Let's start it. Let's go to the VS Code. Yesterday we see how to create a Playwright uh, environment and how to install the Playwright and how to start the Playwright JavaScript code. So here, like we recall here, we can see the node module. In the Playwright report, we can see the in HTML file, which is so where we can find the report of the uh, test cases. After running the test case, we can find the report and the test result. In test result, we can find the test result. Then test, it is all the test files are inside this test folder. Then pages, we can add here one pages for page object model. We can add the pages, and here we see the config basically test configuration values, and here the playwright config is the playwright main configurations. And let's start it. Yesterday we write one test cases. Yeah. uh, First we import the test and expect, and here we write one test cases only to uh, yeah, here we can see we execute test cases step 1 and test step 2. Open the browser in browser and maximize the browser. Let's go to the next one. Test step 3, click on the search bar. So if you go the website, here you can see this is the website, and here this is the search bar. So first, to find the expert, we inspect this search bar. We go to the selector hub. You can see in the second one, here you can see one arrow icon. Click this one and go to the particular element. Click that, and here you can see it is showing the XPath. This is the XPath. If you enter this one, then you can see it is highlighted automatically that particular element. So copy this one, go to the VS Code. Here what we do, first we copy the steps, click the search bar. So for click the search bar, what we do, this is first we have to import the XPath. So for import, we write page dot locator. Yesterday we discussed what is locator. Here what we do, we simply paste this, and uh, here what function we do here. Here you can see it is we have to click this icon. So what we do, we simply write dot click. Minimize this one minute. Here when we perform any action, then we should write await page dot locator dot click. Then go to the step 4, input value table name. So what we do, first we click, then we have to give the input value. Means we search table name in the search bar field. For that, if we go to that website, here what we have, first we click this one and then we search the table name. So for that, what we do, you no need to write in multiple time this particular locator. So we first we store in a const search bar is equal to const search bar. Then what we do, we simply write search bar dot click, then search bar dot fill. What we fill here, we can simply pass the value. Then what we do, we go to the particular test cases. Okay, then perform the enter action. Enter action means the keyboard action. So what we do, we simply write await paste dot here enter means we click the enter button in the keyboard, so we perform the keyboard action. For that we write the keyboard dot what option, what here you can see many options like down, insert, press, type, but what we do, we simply need enter. So if uh, we have to press, then here what option we need, simply keep that and enter. Let's first run this one. Let's see. Yesterday we know to run this, we simply write npx playwright.test. Let's see. Here you can see this takes some time. While here one thing you see, this is our, it is showing a highlighted three dot. So if you highlighted hover this await, you can see await has no effect on the type of expression. So what does means, here we discuss, if we do some perform some action in any locator or any page, then we can use the await. So for if you see here, it is showing some error. Let's see, it is showing error or not. Let wait for a minute. It's running now. The Chrome maybe open. Yeah, you can see the Chrome open. It takes some time. This side very slow while you execute the test cases. Then it takes some few second. Here you can see some error. Let's see. See, search bar dot fill timeout. Okay, here you can see error. So if you highlighted this, you can find, uh, as we know, await we can use if we perform any action in phase, then we can use the await. So if you see here, we only pass the locator. We did not do any we did not perform any action here. So if you see in line number 6 and 7, here you can see we do some action. So for that, here we can write await. Here you can see, yeah. Now if we run it again, run this again, just clear this one. Just we go, let's run this npm playwright test, then test slash. You can if you want to run any particular spec.js file, then you can write test slash that particular test case one dot spec.js file and click enter. Let's see. While it running, let's go to the PD. Here you can see this is step 5 completed. Then go to step 6 and verify the search result, like 555 result. So if you go to the website, first we search the table name and click enter. When you click enter, then you can see this is the 550 result. So let's go to our code. Why it is taking so much time? Let's rerun again. Here it is running. Let's see. Let the browser open. Let's see it is successfully execute all the test cases or not. Here you can see it takes some time to load. Now it is click that search icon and click search that, and it is search successful, and here you can see one test case is passed. So what do we do here? Now we have to verify this result 550 result. So for that, go to that icon, click this 550 result. Here you can see this is in the element, you can see the id class in that particular 550 results, and here you can see in xpath it should, you click this xpath, then you can see highlighted in this. So copy that xpath, go to your code. Here what we do, first we write similarly we write page.locator and pass the locator here. Here we have to verify that 550 results. So for that we have to store this in a variable and verify for the result. So for store we write const result is equal to page.locator. Then here you can if you see in the import section, here we write some expect. If you highlight hover that expect, here you can see expect is declare, but it is value is not ready. Where we use the expect, basically we use expect for a verify or verification or compare like that. So here we write expect expect. Here we what we want to verify result, and for if you see here you can see If you write dot, then you can see the resolved, to be attached, to be checked. There are a lot of you can see a lot of verification things. If you write the to be means it is compare if you got result as a 555 result, and if you have to pass like 550 result, it compare exact the 550 result with that local means to be means here it compare the exact value. If you want to compare only, then to compare you can get the exact value. And here what we do here, if you go there the browser, here uh, what we want, we need this as a text. If we get as a text format, then we can compare with this particular 550 result as we given here. So for that, here we write to text content. We basically we change converted to content, and here we can compare these two. Then you go to the next step, then click the first product. So here you can see this is the first product. So if we click this element, here you can see this is the XPath. You can take this one. Otherwise, what we do here, here you can see the class. You can go to this particular anchor tag. Here you copy this path. Otherwise, we can simply write the XPath by our own. You write /a. Then we need to add the class. Class is equal to line. Then here you can if you enter, you can see 32 element. So which one we need? We need like it starts from 17. So let us see. If you and write 17 and click enter, then you can see the particular uh, anchor tag is highlighted, or particular product is highlighted. Why this is why I take this particular anchor tag, because if you see this is a dynamic page, and here mostly in e-commerce side you can see most of time the uh, product maybe change, because sometime you can see a when you search for a particular book or something, then you can see most of book are updated in the current trending, or you can see the dress or any product according to the trending, or you can see it is mostly changes the uh, according to trending. So you can uh, you can't expect it is particular this element maybe came first or second. So that's why we need to click the first product. So for that we can select that particular element, paste dot locator, reference this one, simply write the click. Then what we do, go to the next steps, verify product detail on the page load. So if you go to and click this one, where we verify the product details, if you see in the URL it is showing products. Here you can see. So for that, what we do, we first we fetch the URL. To fetch the URL, we simply write page.url. But we need to verify with the uh, uh, given here we need to verify the pages product. So for that, what we need for verification, as we discussed, we store in a variable, then we can verify. So for that, write const product, or current URL, we can write current URL is equal to page.url. Then we write here expect current URL dot to earlier. Here you can see we used to be, because we need the exact same result is showing in the website, or we can verify the exact result. But here what we do, we need to verify only, if you see the test tab here, verify the product, see, in the page load. So if you go to the website, we no need to verify all the URL, exact URL. We need verify whether the products is showing or not. So for that, we need to verify this. Here we write two contents, and here we simply write the product. Then what we do, we go to the next step, verify product title, content, table name. So here we can see the product title. This is the product title. Here it's showing table name. So we also find the um, XPath for this. Here you can see this is the title. You can take this one. Otherwise, you have to do, we write our own. For that, we write h1 here. If you see, there is two element. So what we do, here we write the class, where we given the class. When we enter this one, it's showing, it highlighted this particular one. So go to VS Code. Here what to do, page.locator. Here we pass the XPath. But what we do here, we also verify this one. So for that, we also uh, we, as we know, we store this in a variable const test. Sorry, this is table name. Verify product title, content, table name. Const product title, we can write here. Product title is equal to page.locator. Here we need the string context content format. So here we write txt text content, and here we write expect product title dot to content. Here we pass table name. This is table name. Here you can see We only need this much, only table name. Now go to again, let's see. Then verify the uh, step 9 completed. Then verify the sale price is displayed. So go to this. Where is the sale price? This one. You can see. Inspect this one. Here you can see this is the X path. You can directly copy this one and go to VS Code. Again, we create one variable and store this one. Const sales price is equal to page dot locator. Here we pass the locator, and what we do here? Here we also write the text content. Now what we do? We write expect, and here we need to verify the uh, sales price dot to. Here we also write to content. To content that particular price you can give. Here you go to that website. Here you can find the particular price. But sometime what happen, when sometime the price maybe varies. So here for now you can see it is 2799. After some days it may be 3799 or something. So here we can see only the rupee sign is constant. So we can verify the rupee sign also. So for now we give the rupee sign. Now we run this one. Let's see. Let's see our all the test steps are working or not. It's showing running one test using one worker. Okay, you can see the website, the browser open. Now it should be click the search icon, search search bar, and here it is search table lamp. Then hit enter. Okay, here we can see some error. Here it's showing expect to be 550 result. Okay, here you can see when we here we do some action in the page one. Here we can do some action, but here we uh, have to add the await, but we forgot to add the await. So let add this await, line number 10. Okay, here we can see we do some action, some text content. So we have to add await here. Again we can see this is C. Here also we have to add await because we do some click action. So if you don't add the await, then it's showing this type of error. Then again we can check. Here you can see you have to add await. Then again here you can see Then now save this one. You have to clear this one, run this again. Let's see if you got any error, then we can fix that. Whenever you write, see the page contains some action, perform some action, then you have to write the out. Otherwise, it's showing this type of error. Now you can see the browser launch, and here now it is click the search bar. Here you can see it is search the table name and the click the first product. Now it click verify and click the first product. Now see again we can see some error. Let's see what is the error. Okay, const to be 550 variable. Here you can see as we discussed, when we write the to be, it need the exact same result. But if you see from locator, if you go to the website, if you go back, here you can see it is showing the 550 results. But when you go to our code, you can see we only give 550 result. So when it compare with the 550, you can see we expect 550 result, but it is receive 550 result. So when we use 2b, it is compare these two expect and received one exactly. It should be exactly match, otherwise it's showing some error. So we need to, when we use 2b, then we need to write the exact result what we want. Now we update this. Let rerun again. When you write, when you compare anything, you first you need to check whether we need to compare partially or full the content. If you want to compare full content, then you can write to be. If you want to compare partial, then you write to compare. According to that, you can write your code. So let's see the browser of launch. Now it click the search bar. Now you can see it click the search bar. Okay, you can see again it is showing some error. Let's see what is the error. Okay, time limit exceed. Again read on this one. Here you see this is the showing some error like time limit, timeout, or it is exceed. So if you go to the playwright document, you can see search this one. Here you click the search one, and otherwise you can go to the document and click the search, and here you can exceed timeout. You can get the test timeout. See, you can see how to give your custom timeout, and according to that you can read this one, and according to that you can change your custom. It by default taking 3000. You can see it is by default like take 30,000 millisecond, but you can see this is the code how to write your custom timeout. Now we can go to here. You can see, okay, Okay, then here we write our own uh, custom test timeout. So for that, you can follow that uh, playwright document, or you can write here simply timeout. Sorry, timeout. Here we pass the like 12,000 or 120. Then here you save this one. Now go to playwright spectre.js, rerun this one. Let's see. Now the browser launch, and now see whether it is click that search bar or it is search that table name. Let's see. Here you can see it is search the table name. Click the enter, and here you can see the 550 results and the products, all 550 products. And here it verify successful. Then click the first product and verify, and all the test steps are passed. Today we complete these 10 steps. Now tomorrow we complete this another next 10 steps and complete this test cases one. Then we further go to test cases 2. Okay, that's all. Thank you.